all Filipino, good morning. You know, I am so excited now, even though I am so too old. I am almost senior citizen in the Philippines. So, but I would like to announce and express my feelings to all Filipino people. You must prepare for the good opportunity to the all Filipino. You know now, because of the US is massive deportation for the all the illegal and the other nation to back home of their country, so that the all worker in United States of America is now so shorted, so become short. So now we will like to express my feelings, happy feelings, gladly feelings to all of you guys. That so many opportunities to come into the United States, because I think my analysis is we are the first priority to work on United States, and also to the other nation, including to the German and the Ukraine in another country. Of course, because we are a member of allies. So that's your good opportunity today. You are a lucky guys. So that's prepare of ourselves. So I would like to remind also again, we need to focus in English speaking. That's English speaking is international. We can work, we can explore our talent. We don't want to go in prostitution. So we must focus in education. Even though we are not a degree holder, but even though we are also either we are more experienced or skilled, even though a lawyer is skilled, but we can work in other nation, but other nation to have because of we are a participant of the English speaking. So that guys, by 2030